The new in-app help gives you the right amount of information you need to perform simple tasks. It's also a way to get access to help content right within the application without interrupting your workflow. We've added a new chart animation option that progressively displays charts when you turn it on. It adds a dynamic effect to your document and gives it an extra visual boost. The automatic refresh mode acts at regular intervals without worrying about prompts. Does your document have prompts? You only need to provide answers once. This mode also simplifies the interface and was designed for a better viewing experience. It's great for documents that you want to use as dashboards. We grouped the advanced options together in a new menu in the toolbar. Here you will find the toggles to enable or disable drilling, ranking, sorting, the automatic refresh mode, and other options. The interactive viewer now supports customization. You can enable or disable drilling, comments, fold, unfold, and so on.